Hey, what's up, guys? How are you people? Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm not going to go for a ride. I'm going to do something to my bike. I'm going to put a sticker to my bike, and I'm going to give it for service first. Not service. I'm going to give it for a general wash because I traveled recently and a lot of slush in the chain and all. So I'm going to go give it for a wash and then go put stickers, bro. The sticker as the Sudhir Vlogs and the normal sticker, which I told previously that I'm going to change it. The small world. It's a small world. So from there, after doing all this, I'll be going you to one more place. It's a place near Manipal. I'll show you later. So it's a beautiful. See, everything is beautiful place in Manipal, dude. Especially if it comes to Manipal. So that's a very good place. You can go, you can chill. And I'm in my hostel. Look at the place. Okay, I'll take you once there, bro. That also will be a trip for you. Cool. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Not bye, bro. Stay tuned. Here is the bike. Look at him. You can see a lot of. Actually, like what it is, Kesril Jasti. You can see the mud road, right? This chair, Kesur Tumba Jasti, Male Vandra Ange Antkon Bidetadu. So that's what the thing is. So that's the reason a lot of the mud has gone inside the chain. You can see it has gone in chain, but now it actually looks good. The thing is, it got drenched in water. Sorry, rain. So yeah, guys, I'll be taking this beauty and look at the keychain. What I've changed, the doctor. This was given to me by a senior who graduated college right now. So guys, done, and I'll be going from here to the stickering shop. So guys, I've come here. I've come to the stickering shop here. First, I thought, fine. First, I'll give off order for the stickering and then go give it for wash. Your madashna nook madkon banbirtine. So I'm planning to put it over here so that it'll look good. So look at it. Sudhir Vlogs. So here we're given it for wash. Boy is getting ready. Look at that, how much of dust is there. The thing is, the place where I went for the wash, they didn't have any accessories, no machines, nothing. And the way they did, it was actually good, but I personally didn't like. So I asked them to stop. I told them not to do it. So I stopped them. I just took the bike. I called my friend. I'm like, bro, like this, it has happened. He's like, bro, chill. You come here. I've prepared food. So he has prepared food. He has prepared some prawns, chicken, ghee rice, everything. He's a very good cook. Look at him. He's vacating his place. What? Oh, hey, unful macha. Hey, Nelrilla. Hey, bro, it's YouTube. Vlog channel. So, our boy Jadav is vacating the house. So, he has prepared some special. Macha, prawns illo? ಏನು ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಪ್ರೈ ತೋರಿಸು ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಉಡುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಮೀನು ಚೀಪಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೊಂದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮೀನು ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿಂತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಮೀನಾ ಚಿಕನ್ನು? ಸರಿ, ಇದು ಚಿಕನ್ನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಜಾದವ್ದೇ ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಜಾದವ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಮಚ್ಚ, ನಾನು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. See, actually, I would have told you that I'll take and go you people to one location, but instead of that location, we have come here. You can see prawns, chicken kebab, everything over here. Boy has taken a flat. He was chilling here and he has completed his course, so he's going back. So see, everything has been packed. tell you guys, actually he's a very good cook. He cooks very good. He uses this induction stove and all, but the way he cooks, man, like in hostel, the food what I have had, when it comes to Karnataka food, Karnataka dish, the spiciness, everything, he has cooked well, very good. Like compared to my mess, the cook what he does is good. So I'll keep telling him, macha, even messy beda namge, neen cook madangidre ella ನಾನು ನೀನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡೋಣ. That's the reason I did it. So boys are all chilling over here. Light ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಗೀ ರೈಸ್ ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ ನಾವು. ಗೀ ರೈಸ್, ಕಬಾಬ್, ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾದವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎತ್ತಕ್ಕರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನ್ ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿನ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಅನ್ಫಲ್ಡ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ. ಓ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ. ಚಿಕನ್ ಕೊಡು, ಚಿಕನ್ ಕೊಡು.
6 pieces ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದೀಗ
ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನದಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಗೀ ರೈಸ್, ಕಬಾಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಗೀ ರೈಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಕಬಾಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಚಿಕನ್ ಕಬಾಬ್ 65. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಚ್ಚ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಓವರ್ ಯೋರ್. ರೈಸ್, ಗೀ ರೈಸ್, ಆನಿಯನ್, chicken kebab and prawns. Look at the prawns, and this is wine, grape wine. I think grape wine is good. Nothing is going to happen. It's grape juice which is fermented. So peaceful. I'm going to enjoy my meal, guys. See you. Bye bye. Man, this chili is too spicy, man. What I did, I took 2 of the chilies directly. I added. Look at me, sitting right under the fan, still sweating. It's very good. It's too good. Mouth watering it is. But you can see only the plate because ghee rice is over here. I have to put it only, then you can see. Ghee rice hakkana. Ghee rice, kebab, prawns, chicken gravy, but chicken illa. Bari gravy ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾದವ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಟರಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೀರಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್. I'm just done with the food, man. The best food. Prawns, chicken 65. And look at the rice. I told Macha, ನನಗೆ ರೈಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ I told. But then look at it. ಒಂಚೂರು ಬಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂಚೂರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫುಲ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Look at the plate. Cleansed and kept. And guys, my plan totally changed. I'm very good. I'm full now. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಹುಡುಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾವನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಾಯ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಯು. Have a good food, enjoy your life, live your life, bro. No one is gonna care. That's all. One more thing. See, I told you that I'll be changing this one, right? The sticker. It's a small word. It's a small word. That the sticker what I wanted is not your. So I won't be doing it now. I'll be ordering it. Look at the stickers. Finally Anna has come. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ ನಾವು? ಅದಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ. ಗೈಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ. planning to put it here. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಕಲರು Whoa. Okay. Man, SUDHIRVLOGS, no gap in between. Sudhir Vlogs. Get ready for crazy, incredible vlogs. Okay, guys, he's actually closing the shop today. He has some work with him, so I couldn't do it for helmet. So we've done only for the bike. So bike is ready here. So see, Sudhir Vlogs is here. Cool it is. Boy got just now we put in this shop. We just put chain loop. Everything is ready. I'll be going for a ride very soon. So anyways, take care, stay connected. Bye bye.